Welcome you all to today's video. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create an easy drop shadow effect using Adobe Photoshop. Before we dive in, I encourage you to watch the video until the end, so you don't miss any important steps, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more design tutorials. Let's begin the magic. First, open Photoshop and create a new document with the dimensions 1920 by 1920 pixels at a 300 resolution. Then click Create. Once your document is ready, choose a background color from the Fill panel and apply a solid color layer using your preferred color. Next, type your bold text like I've done with the phrase Easy Drop Shadow Effect and center it on the canvas for better visibility. Now duplicate the text layer. Convert the original text layer into a smart object. Then go to Blending Options, select Color Overlay, and set the color to black. After that, navigate to Filter, then Blur Gallery and Path Blur. When the Path Blur panel appears, adjust the direction of the blur arrows, uncheck Center Blur, and fine-tune the endpoint speed taper and speed settings until you are satisfied with the effect. Once it looks great, click OK. And just like that, you've created a stunning design. Now you can see how stunning the drop shadow effect we created looks. Feel free to save this video so you can follow along and create your own at your own pace. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new design content. Let's grow and design together.